When it comes to fitness, we often think of heavy weights and grueling cardio sessions, but there's something so versatile and effective about resistance bands that can't be overlooked. They're not just for rehab or light workouts. They can truly transform your endurance and body shape if you know how to use them right. Let me share 5 exercises that have changed the game for me. First up, we have the classic band squat. It sounds simple, but trust me, when you add resistance, it's a game changer. You stand on the band, feet shoulder-width apart, and hold the handles at your shoulders. As you squat down, you feel that tension in your legs, your glutes, and your core. It's like a full-body wake-up call. You push through your heels to stand back up, and with each rep, you can feel your endurance building. It's not just about strength, it's about control and stability. Next, let's talk about the banded push-up. Now, I know push-ups can be tough, but adding a resistance band changes the dynamics completely. You loop the band around your back and hold the ends in your hands as you lower yourself down. The band provides extra resistance on the way up, making your chest and triceps work harder. You'll feel the burn, but that's where the magic happens. It's not just about looking good, it's about building functional strength that lasts. Then there's the seated row. You sit on the floor with your legs extended, wrap the band around your feet, and pull the handles towards you. This exercise targets your back, biceps, and shoulders. It's incredible how much endurance you can build by focusing on your upper body. You can feel your posture improving with each pull, and it's a reminder that strength comes from all angles, not just the ones we see in the mirror. Let's not forget about the lateral band walk. You place the band around your thighs and take side steps. It may look easy, but it's a killer for your hips and glutes. This exercise not only shapes your lower body, but also enhances your stability and endurance. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can feel the burn, and it's a great way to engage those often neglected muscles. Finally, we have the banded plank. You wrap the band around your wrists and hold a plank position. The resistance forces you to engage your core even more. It's a challenge, but that's where you build endurance. Holding that position while fighting against the band's pull teaches you to stabilize your body in ways you didn't think possible. So, there you have it. 5 exercises that can elevate your fitness game. Resistance bands are not just tools. They're gateways to a stronger, more resilient you. Embrace the challenge and watch how your endurance and body shape transform.